Good afternoon. So today we're gonna do some curry chicken. So we have some chicken thighs. We have some vinegar we're gonna use to wash it after we clean it up properly. We got some lime. And over there we have the onion with scallion or spring onion with garlic with thyme, tomato. Got some Jamaican season here. We got some chicken season, other chicken season. This kind of brownish one here, we call that season to the bone. And then we have some jerk season. And then we have some herbal season, along with the curry powder. And we also have some green seasoning. So yeah,